Good morning. Today is Friday, May 24, 2024. The weather today is windy, cloudy, and rainy. Ang temperature po natin sa labas ay 8 degrees. Medyo malamig po compared yesterday na nasa 23-24 degrees po tayo kahapon. Working day na naman po. And gusto ko lang po sana i-share for today is yung nabasa ko kaninang umaga. Maganda po yung nabasa ko kanina umaga and I would like to share it with you. Nabasa ko po to sa Daily Stories. Sabi nga dito, in the blink of an eye, another day is gone. In the blink of an eye, another week is gone. In the blink of an eye, another month is gone. In the blink of an eye, another year is gone. And in the blink of an eye, I'll be gone too. And not just me, but also you. So maybe we should be wishing and hoping that we could just keep our eyes open and see and appreciate all that we can see and learn how we can be the best that we can be before it's too late. Time flies, so let's not wait. Whether we have just one life or many, one thing is true: we should try to enjoy every moment we can. It's the wisest thing to do. Napakaganda po nung nabasa ko this morning, and that is from the Daily Stories na isinishare ko sa inyo ngayon. And I'm a widow. I will be 68 years old next month. And ini-enjoy ko na lang po ang bawat sandali because you will know when you will be gone. Just for now, have a good day kahit hindi po maganda ang weather. But for sure, dyan naman po sa lugar ng iba is maganda po ang weather. Enjoy your day and keep smiling. Bye-bye!